Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. 12th Max CBSE board exam answer key. Today we are going to see first section A. So section A, first question. Sum of two skew symmetric matrix of same order is always a skew symmetric matrix. So option A. So sum of two skew symmetric matrix of same order is always an skew symmetric matrix. Next, second question. So second question, if A equal to the given matrix, and then what is A is? So A is they are asking what is that? Null matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, diagonal matrix. So we know that skew symmetric matrix means what? A transpose equal to minus A. So if we transpose the given matrix, you will get it as 0 minus 3 8, then 3 0 5, then minus 8 minus 5 0. So it is looks like A transpose equal to minus A. So this also obviously skew symmetric matrix, option C. And then third question, we move on to third question. The graph of a below things is this the graph has a sigmoidal S-shaped curve. So this is called sigmoidal S-shaped curve. That is the characteristics of inverse tangent function. Inverse tangent function. So inverse tangent function. So that is the correct answer. So the graph is a S-shaped curve. That is characteristics of inverse tangent function. So inverse tangent functions, look at here, option D, y equal to tan inverse of x. Next, fourth question, that is very easy. So matrix A, B dash and B dash A defined for the matrix A and B. If order of A is n cross m, then the order of B. So this is also, if we take B matrix equal to P cross Q, then what about B dash? So B dash is obviously Q cross P. So AB, that is A matrix and B dash matrix defined. So obviously M equal to Q. And then B dash A also defined. So obviously N equal to P. So what is the answer? N cross M. So N cross M, option B is the correct answer. Next, fifth question. So fifth question here, look at here. If f of x equal to log of 1 plus ax plus log of 1 minus bx divided by x, then k. X not equal to 0 means this value and x equal to 0 means k. They are asking, so what is the k value at x equal to 0? So the answer is a minus b, option C, a minus b. And sixth question also I got it as minus y. Anyway, you just go you just solve the sum. If you get minus y, the same answer means it is correct answer. So sixth alone I'm not sure. So sixth you just check it, guys. Then we move on to seventh question. Seventh is very easy question. So we know that how to solve the seventh question. We know that secant theta, which is equal to minus 2 here, then secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, which is equal to minus root 2. Then cos theta, which is equal to 1 divided by minus root 2. Then cos theta we can write it minus root 2 divided by 2. So we need to find the cos. So cos theta equal to cos inverse of root 2 divided by 2. So it is going to be theta equal to 3 by 4. So this value is 3 by divided by 4 and minus tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Everyone knows that is pi by 6. So 3 by divided by 4, 3 by 4 minus pi by 6. So if you solve that, you will get it 14 pi divided by 24. So 14 pi divided by 24, that is 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12, that is the correct answer. Next, we move on to 8th question. So 8th also very easy. So here they are telling tan inverse of x square minus y square equal to a. So tan inverse of x square minus y square equal to a. Then what about dy by dx? So we need to find dy by dx. So you just take dy by dx either side. So dy by dx equal to tan inverse of this thing, and then dy by dx equal to constant. So here a is constant means what? This is going to be 0. So obviously dy by dx tan inverse of x square minus y square equal to 0. Now we need to differentiate this part. I'll write it here. You just see dy by dx tan inverse of x square minus y square equal to 0. So we have to differentiate this. So 1 divided by 1 plus tan of x square minus y square the whole square. I'm sorry, we will not get a tan here. And then again we need to multiply d by dx of x square minus y square equal to 0. So finally you will get it 2x minus 2y dy by dx divided by 1 plus x square minus y square the whole square equal to 0. Definitely denominator will not equal to 0, because if you equal to 0, numerator alone equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0 means it is infinite. We all know that anything divided by 0, that is infinite. So we can take numerator alone equal to 0. So 2x minus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. So we want to find dy by dx. So dy by dx you will get it as x by y. So x by y is the answer. So where it is x by y? So x by y, it is in the first option, x by y. Next, ninth question. So ninth question, look at here, f of x equal to x square. So what is mean by x square? It is a quadratic polynomial. It is a polynomial x square. Then which of the following statement is incorrect? They are asking what is incorrect. So look at the options. Option A, minimum value of f does not exist. Minimum value of f does not exist. Then option B, there is no point of maximum value f in R. And then option C, f is continuous at x equal to 0 and f is differentiable at x equal to 0. So obviously the wrong answer is A. Minimum value of f does not exist. Actually, because the function does attain the minimum value, and B is correct because x square means parabola. So parabola obviously maximum point is there, and parabola obviously continues at x equal to 0, and f of x equal to x square, that is also parabola, differentiable at everywhere, include x equal to 0 also. So the wrong option, minimum value f does not exist. Next we will move on to 11th question. So 11th question very easy, because we have f dash of x equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 4 by 3x cube plus 5. So what do you have to do? So you have to integrate everything. So you just integrate this value, then integrate this value, then integrate this also. So if you integrate, you will get it as what? Plus constant. So you just find the c value also. By how? You can find the c value by how means you have a x equal to 1, the function becomes approach 0. So you can easily find the c value, that is minus 11. So if you integrate all those three things, and then you can find the c value as minus 11. So the answer would be x cube plus 3x square minus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 11. So option C is the correct answer. Next we move on to number 12, the order and degree of a differential equation. The order and degree of the differential equation. This is very easy question for you guys, I know. So yes, the degree and order we have to find. So order obviously 2, and then degree is not defined. Degree is what? Not defined. Why it is not defined? Since the equation involves what? Since the equation involves logarithmic of the derivative so degree is obviously not defined. Order only we can write, that is 2. So order 2 and degree is not defined. So this is the correct answer. Then we move on to next question. I'm sorry, it is a blink error. 14th question. So 14th question, the area of the region bounded by the curve, which is y square equal to x, and then we have between x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So y square equal to x, in the sense we can write y equal to root x, then y we will get it as what? Y equal to root x. So we can take integral 0 to 1 because between x and 0 and 1, so root x into dx. So root x can be written as what? Integral 0 to 1 x power 1 by 2 into dx. So we have to integrate. This is very easy, guys. X divided by 1 2 plus 1, so there is no c because we have a definite integral. So definite integral, we don't have the c value, so x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, so we can write it. This 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. So the limits are 0, upper limit 1. So if you substitute 2 by 3, 1 minus 0, you will get it. So this is 2 by 3. So I just consider this value since the region is symmetry. So we all know that since the region is symmetry about the x-axis, so we have to find the upper half first. So upper half is, I found that 2 by 3, and then I have to find the lower half also. This is upper half and lower half. Lower half also I will get it 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3 I need to add. So 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3. So where it is 4 by 3? Option D, 4 by 3 square units. Since the region is symmetry about the x-axis, we compute the area for upper half first and then lower half next. So upper half area 2 by 3 square units and lower half area 2 by 3 square units again. So we need to add upper half plus lower half. So we will get it as 4 by 3. Next question. So next question, 18th I'll solve, then I'll go to the next question. So 18th question, you all know that. So this is very easy, guys. Again, so we need to find probability at least 1. So probability at least 1, we have a formula, p of at least 1, that is equal to 1 minus p of none. So p of none is nothing but of p of a. He is not go to go to market. He is not go to market means p of none. First I have to find p of none for a. So p of none for a is he is going 30% means he is not going 0.7. Then B is going 60% means is not going 0.4. And then as well as C is not going, that is 0.5. So we need to multiple these value, that is what P of none. So P of none, which is equal to 0.7 into 0.4 into 0.5. So that is equal to 0.14. So 0.14, which is P of none. So we need to find P of at least 1. So P of at least 1 equal to 1 minus 0.14. So that is we know that is 86 divided by 100, which means 0.86. So 0.86 can be written as 86 divided by 100, that is 43 divided by 50. So 43 divided by 50, that is option B, 43 divided by 50. And the next question, I just forgot these two questions. I'll solve it here, which is 16th question. Log dy by dx equal to 3x plus 4y. So we need to solve this question. So I'm going to write dy by dx equal to e power 3x plus 4y. So dy by dx equal to e power 3x into e power 4y. So variable separable, which means what? We have to shift dy divided by e power 4y, which is equal to e power 3x into dx. So we can write it e power minus 4y into dy. So this can be written as integral e power 3x into dx. So if you integrate this, you will get it as e power minus 4y divided by minus 4 equal to e power 3x divided by 3 plus c. Next, e power minus 4y divided by minus 4, which is equal to e power 3x plus 3c divided by 3. Then we have to cross it this. So you will get it 3 power e power minus 4y equal to 4 into e power 3x plus, minus, here minus, minus 4y. So minus 12c. So you have to change this side. So 3 into e power minus 4y plus 4 e power 3x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is the correct answer. So you can verify the option. The answer is 3 into e power minus 4y plus 4 into e power 3x plus 12 equal to 0. So yes, obviously I have completed all the question. In case study I didn't solve it, so I'll solve it later on. So thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you so much.